guys, and a lot of people have lost money. And that's why we want to teach you how to find that one winner chicken dinner, whether it could be a hydrogen water bottle, which has really good profit margins, right? But we want to be able to validate it. And I'll show you guys how to validate this. So let's go back over to Drop a Spy. So right up here, I'm going to type in hydrogen, okay? And we're going to do an awesome search right here. Look at this, you guys. It's going to be crazy. Take a look at this. Look at this. April 3rd, the guy launched, and he's got 33,000 likes here in the United States, okay? 6,000 shares. Look at this right here. Hydrogen water bottle.
Within 3 minutes.
The positive impact that it's had.
It's got beautiful videos, beautiful photos, 33 seconds long. Here's another guy.
Dana White whacking back hydrogen.
Okay. All right. So these are different people too, everyone. I want to point this out to you. This is Got Hydro Water, and this is Got Hydro Water Bottle. So like this guy right here is Zenvier.
And within 3 minutes,
this guy is Hydro Water Pro.
Plasticity of the brain.
Okay, these are different people making money.
Making hydrogen water.
This is a different guy right here, Hydro.
This is what would happen if you drink hydrogen water every day.
Right? So look at that, you guys. See that right there? 9,000 likes, 500. You guys see he's launched here this year, 2024. And this has a lot of validation. So we just went through all the benefits ourselves, like why it's an awesome product. And you guys what? It's summertime, everyone. It's this time of year. People want to stay hydrated. And so if we go over to our spy tools, I'll share with you guys a spy tool that I haven't shared with you yet. It's called Winning Hunter. And this is a good time to bring it up with you guys right now. Okay, this is a really cool tool. It's kind of like Drop a Spy, where you put in the filters and you're able to figure out what's working and what isn't working. But guess what's gangster, everyone? Guess what's gangster about this product? It actually tells us how much money they're spending, right? And how much money they're making on a product. The revenue and the ad spend. It's a gangster, you guys. You're going to love this thing. So it actually tells us who's really winning. Drop a Spy, I love Drop a Spy, but Winning Hunter is like, it tells you even better data, you guys. It's pretty cool. So let me share with you how we're going to do this here. So let's just type in the word hydrogen up here as a keyword. And then I'm going to share with you, we're going to do United States, because we only want to do what's working in USA. And we're going to do, okay, what's scaling, right, or not scaling. I'll share with you guys how we do this here. So we're going to do when it was created. And I'll go back like a few months, like when it was created, like so from September to now. Okay, and then when it was seen. So this is an important thing, everyone. I always do no more than like 3 months on the seen date. Seen date, everyone. So when it was last seen, and then we're going to filter it now by ad spend. Watch this, you guys. This is so cool. And I'll hit apply. And now we're going to find only the best keywords, the best videos, and people are making the most money, you guys, with this product, hydrogen, for the hydrogen water bottle. This is an amazing, hot, winning product, you guys. Why is it a winning product? Again, you guys, we buy it for 13, okay, United States shipped, but we sell it for 50 and sometimes 59. So it's got amazing profit margins, okay? We got great FAQs. So all of our students have awesome FAQs, you guys, where each of the questions. And one of the questions that we had here on the chat, you guys, we have some awesome chats coming in, was what type of theme do you guys use? So the theme that we use, guys, is called the Shrine Pro theme. It's an amazing theme, and all of our students use the Shrine Pro theme, you guys. The Shrine Pro. So definitely, and we give this out to all of our students, so they all get the Shrine Pro included. And you can tell when it's the Shrine Pro because aesthetically, it pops out at you. You guys see how it aesthetically kind of pops out? All the students love the Shrine Pro theme. It makes your website look so good. So that is a definite must-have for our students. Is you guys want to see a brand new student store of mine? A brand new student? Let me share with you. This is Dave's store. He just got started 2 weeks ago, and he's got already the hottest products that are marketing right now. He's got the hydrogen water bottle. He's got the garden kneeler. Look at his FAQ, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. I'm so proud of Dave. He's a brand new student, you guys, and kicking butt. He's following exactly what I'm teaching and how to start winning with his Facebook ads and his Shopify store. I love his FAQs. I love what he did. And you guys are probably thinking, Scott, how do I make these pages? How do I do this, you guys? Well, I teach this right inside my store, guys, Page Pilot. So what you do is it creates you a page. So you guys don't actually have to go make a page. You use the AI to do it. The AI creates you a page. So what we do is we just take like a link right here, okay, and then we put it in here, and then we hit generate. And it's going to generate us a page with the AI that we could then use and bring it into our Shopify store. How cool is that, you guys? Is that pretty cool or what? Taking a page and bringing it on into our Shopify store using the AI. Is that pretty cool? Let's see how it works, you guys. This is awesome. And yeah, we make our edits. Yeah, we perfect it inside of our store, but at least we have a foundation to start from. Okay, so here's our foundation. Let me show you how it looks. Okay, so let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can see. This is the page right here. It brings in all the photos. It brings in the, you know, the titles, even the reviews. Puts a nice review right here. It brings in the gifts, and it even gives it a new name and everything. It tries to help you out, tries to give you guys a nice name. And so you guys can then use the same pain points and bring this on into your Shopify store. Okay, so you don't edit it right here, you edit inside your Shopify. So you would hit import and bring it on over, you guys. So I hope that's been an awesome element to learn right here already. It's like, Scott, like, how do I really make these beautiful pages? Well, we start with Page Pilot, you guys, so you don't have to worry that much, okay? We start there, we use the AI, and then we bring it in and we do the last few checks, right? So we use Canva a lot too to add our badges. We use Canva a lot too to really make it look pretty. Make it look pretty, you guys. We definitely want to make it look pretty. So let me go right in here to Winning Hunter and show you how we can validate this hydrogen water bottle. So if I leave hydrogen in right here, take a look, everyone. I got it filtered by ad spend. Look at this, you guys. It's telling me how much they're spending, how much they're making, all right here. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. It's giving me if it's green. If it's green, that's good. That actually means it's going up right now. It's scaling. It's scaling, right? So that's important to me to see that kind of stuff. So if I go type in migraine, or I go type in some of the other keywords that we typed in today, we can't find all these different winning videos. Hydrogen water bottle, hydrogen water bottle, hydrogen water bottle. And these are all different people making money. Different people, you guys. Okay? Awesome videos too. Okay? So this is the kind of validation I'm talking about. One thing to be able to find a winning product, but how do you successfully launch that winning product? And how do you read the data? And then how do you scale it? Right? So these are all things that are so difficult to really get your confidence and the processes down. And I'll tell you what, guys, I've been a part of a lot of different programs where I've seen different coaches, and they never really have a real straight process. It's like they're teaching you a new strategy every week. It's like they're running around like their head with a chicken cut off. They're not teaching you like a bulletproof process and then like all year making sure that people win with that process, right? If the process works, then you should be focusing on that process. And you see a lot of different people running around like, try that, but what about that? You just told me to do that. What? Oh, yeah, that was last week. What do you mean last week? Yeah, well, there's a new thing. It's called dynamic creative. You're like, what? So you guys get what I'm saying? There's always something new people are teaching, but they don't even have a process that works. And that's the problem. And so that's what I do. I have a process that works. We don't, we go after the money. And if you were getting started, you guys, I wouldn't want to make you waste a bunch of time and money in product research. I would want to get you marketing and running on what's actually making money right now, right? So I hope you guys got a lot of value from this video. And I'm not affiliate of Winning Hunter or Drop a Spy. These are just tools that I use inside of my mentoring with my students, you guys. So I hope you guys got a lot of value. And yeah, I'll see you later. Give this video a like. I appreciate you all. Take care, and let's go, let's grow. Ciao for now.